Welcome to our channel. If you're having trouble verifying your Gesa Credit Union account, you're in the right place to get this fixed quickly and smoothly. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will guide you step by step on how to fix the Gesa Credit Union account verification issue efficiently. First, start by logging into your Gesa Credit Union online account using your registered username and password. If you are unable to log in, try resetting your password securely through the official website. Next, check your email inbox and spam folder for any verification emails from Gesa Credit Union. Sometimes the verification link might expire or get delayed. If you find a verification email, click on the link to complete your account verification. In case you did not receive any verification email, return to the login page and look for the option to resend the verification email. Enter your correct email address and request the verification link again. It is important to use the same email address you registered with the bank. Ensure you have a stable internet connection while doing this process to avoid delays. If the issue persists, clear your browser cache or try using a different web browser to see if that helps. Sometimes, outdated cache or browser problems can interrupt the verification process. Additionally, verify that your account details are accurate by double-checking the personal information you submitted. Any mismatch can cause verification errors. If after these steps your account is still not verified, contact Gesa Credit Union's customer support directly via their official phone number or secure online chat. Have your account details and identification ready for faster assistance. Customer service can help resolve verification glitches or manually verify your identity if necessary. Following these clear steps will ensure you overcome the account verification hurdles swiftly and regain full access to your Gesa Credit Union account. Remember, verifying your account keeps your financial information secure and enables you to use all banking features without interruption. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials and guides.